Welcome to Happyforms, a WordPress form builder where communication meets effortless design. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Happyforms, exploring its intuitive features and how it can transform your website's interaction with your audience.
Let us begin. If you're looking for a user-friendly, customizable solution for your website's forms, you're in the right place. Happyforms is all about making form creation a breeze, whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out. First up, let's talk about the drag and drop functionality. With Happyforms, designing your forms is as simple as dragging and dropping elements into place. Need a text field here? No problem. Want to add a drop-down menu? Easy. It's like creating a form is as simple as putting together a puzzle. And the best part? You don't need to know a single line of code. Happyforms takes care of all the technical details, so you can focus on crafting the perfect form for your needs. Whether it's a contact form, a survey, or a newsletter sign-up, Happyforms has got you covered. Check out these beautiful form templates. Whether you prefer a clean, minimalist design or something more vibrant and eye-catching, Happyforms offers a range of templates to suit your style. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can customize every aspect of your form to make it truly unique. Let's dive into how it effortlessly integrates with platforms like ActiveCampaign, Mailchimp, and more. Starting with WordPress, Happyforms offers a plugin that brings form building directly into your WordPress dashboard. Create and manage forms without leaving your familiar WordPress environment. Next up, ActiveCampaign and Mailchimp integration. Capture leads and sync them with your audience. It's like having an automated assistant for your email marketing efforts. To integrate them, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Happyforms, Integrations. Find the integration you want to use in the list and click on it to configure. Additionally, Happyforms also integrates with AWeber, Zapier, PayPal, Stripe, and many more. The possibilities are endless. What I love most about Happyforms is its user-friendly interface. Everything is clearly laid out and easy to understand. And if you ever get stuck, our customer support team is top-notch. We are always ready to help with any questions or issues you might have. After you are done with all the editing and setup, how can you embed your form inside a web page? Simple enough, just go to your Forms tab inside your WordPress dashboard, then just copy the shortcode of your form, and then go to a page where you want to embed your form. Voila, you are done.
So there you have it, folks. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or anyone in between, Happyforms is the ultimate solution for creating beautiful, functional forms for your website. Say goodbye to clunky, outdated forms, and hello to a smoother, more delightful user experience, so be sure to check out Happyforms for yourself. Now that you are familiar with Happyforms features, make sure that you don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your website. Until next time, happy form building with Happyforms.